Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. It is your English workbook and today we are going to do period number 25 on page number 45. Look at here what we have to do today. Write A to J and recognize the pictures. Okay, look at here. What is this? It is A. Put your pencil on the first line, make a slant line at the left side, then put your pencil again on the first line and make a slant line on the right side, then make a straight line between first two drawn lines. What is this? A. And what's the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A? A. Alligator. A. Alligator. A. Alligator. You can also name different things starting with A as A. Apple, A. And animals, A. Ant, A. Aeroplane, A. Axe, A. Ankle. Okay, like this you can name it with also. Now what comes after A? It's B. What comes after A? B. Put your pencil on the first line, take it downward in a straight line like this. Now put your pencil again on the first dot and make a round shape belly on first two lines, then on the second and third line like this. What is this? B. And what's the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. B for bus. B for bus. B for bus. After B is C. Put your pencil on the second line, between second and first line, make a round like this. Take it downward and take it up, but don't touch the second line. We are not touching second line from the upside and downside. Sikha cat, Sikha cat, Sikha cat, Sikha cat. Sound of C is K. Sikha cat. Next word is D. Which alphabet it is? It is alphabet D. Put your pencil here on the first line, take it downward in a straight line. Now put your pencil on the first line again and make a round shape belly on first three lines like this. What is this? D. What is this? D. D the dolphin. D the dolphin. D the dolphin. Next after D is E. What is this? It is E. Which alphabet it is? It is alphabet E. Look at here. Put your pencil on the first line like this. Now put your pencil again on the first line and take it from left to right. Now on second line and take it from left to right. Now last line, take it from left to right in this way. And what is the sound of E? A. What is the sound of E? A. What is the sound of E? A. E. A. Envelope. E. A. Envelope. E. A. Envelope. After E, the next one is F. After E, the next one is F. What is this? F. Look at here, F. Put your pencil on the first line, take it downward in a straight form. Now again make a straight line from left to right, second line from left to right. Look at here, there are three lines in E, and but F is having two lines. What is this? F. F for frog. F for frog. F for frog. Next alphabet is alphabet G. What comes after F? G. It is having same starting point as C is having. Put your pencil here and make a round like this. Take it upward to the second line and then take it downward in a straight form to the third line. What is this? G. What is this? G. What is the sound of G? G. What is the sound of G? G. What is the sound of G? G. Giga grapes. Giga grapes. Giga grapes. What comes after G? H. What comes after G? H. Look at here. It is the first starting point. You have to put your pencil on the first line and take it downward in a straight form to the third line. Again on the first line but with some gap, take it downward in a straight line. Now put your pencil on second line and join these two lines by drawing a straight line between these two lines. What is this? H. What is this? H. And what's the sound of H? H. What is the sound of H? H. H. House. H. House. H. House. H. House. What comes after H? Next word is I. What is this? I. Which is this? I. And what's the sound of I? E. What is the sound of I? E. What is the sound of I? E. Put your pencil on the first line and take it downward in a straight line till third line. It is I, and it has very simple formation as number one is having, Alif is having. I E igloo. I E igloo. I E igloo. I, and after I is J. Put your pencil on the first line, take it downward, make a small round like this, and that's it. But don't touch the second line. For J, if you join the loop with the second line, it would be wrong. So what is this? J ja jeep. J jar jeep. J jar jeep. Look at here. A B C D E F G H I J. In this way you have to write this page, you have to attempt this page, and you have to also recognize all the objects drawing with the alphabets. Thank you.